stepped into my life. Such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, we could have gone so far. It hurts to realize.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a bathroom makeover. My best friend let me make over her bathroom. She just bought her house like a year ago and she is finally getting it all made over before she gets married, and so she is letting me make over her bathroom and some other little rooms in her house that you'll see later on my channel. But I was so excited. I love how everything turned out in this makeover, and I think I say that on every makeover, but I just love makeovers. Like, it's becoming my favorite things to do. But also this video is a collab with one of my really good friends here on YouTube. Her name is Leanne and her channel name is Leanne's Life. So over on her channel, she gives you lots of recipe ideas, grocery hauls, and just all types of food ideas that you are going to want to try. Believe me, I have tried them and they are delicious, so good. And let her know that I sent you, so go ahead and check out her channel once you're done watching this makeover, and she will be doing a budget-friendly meal idea. So now we're just taking the drawers and the cabinet doors off so we can get everything prepped and ready for the painting and for the spray painting. So at the beginning of my videos, I like to introduce myself to anyone who may be new. My name is Courtney. I do cleaning videos, decorate with me, cooking, all types of cleaning, makeovers, just any type of homemaking. I love doing those types of videos. So if you are interested in that kind of content, please make sure you push that subscribe button so you won't miss out on any more of my videos. And also, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is thelifeofcourtney19. So now Madison is getting everything taped off before she starts the painting, and I will be doing the spray painting, which you won't see on camera. I'm going to use some YouTube magic, so you'll get to see that happen. But she will be painting while I do the spray painting. So I wanted to make sure I gave you some type of tips on how to do a makeover on a budget. And one of the things that I've learned is that spray painting will be your best friend when being on a budget. You can spray paint so many things and it turns out to be something brand new. So that's what we end up doing. on the knobs for the cabinets and for the drawers. We just ended up spray painting instead of buying the new ones. And then she was able to save money on that end and was able to put the money towards buying a new light fixture that she wanted. So that is a great tip on doing a makeover. If you can spray paint anything, like try to do that first before you go out and just buy the thing that you want.
Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken. Lay your love on me. Leave your head and let your mind be free. Save yourself and leave the words you spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken.
So we ended up doing 3 coats on this vanity, and honestly we probably could have bought the smaller paint, but we just wanted to make sure that we had enough paint. But we definitely could have got the smaller can instead of the gallon size can. So next time, whenever I'm doing a makeover like that, I'll know to get the smaller can, because honestly you can always go back and get it. But in this instance we did not want to have to go back to the store. But also, the good thing about this is that she now has paint to do other things that she's wanted to do in the house. So now she doesn't have to go out and buy any more paint. She's able to use that same gallon size can that she got. So that did save her in the long run.
Save yourself and leave the words you spoken. Cause some dreams are meant to be broken.
As you can tell, I am on my hands and knees scrubbing this floor with the vacuum, because the plan was to paint the bathroom floors, and she actually did this in her upstairs bathroom and her main level bathroom, and it turned out so perfect that she wanted to do it down here in her downstairs bathroom. But because of time, we just ran out of it, and she was leaving for the beach on this day, so we just didn't have time to do it. So this will definitely be either in another video, or if I can't get it on video, I'll make sure I will leave it in my Instagram like post or story or something like that. So make sure you are following me on Instagram. But I wanted to show you this vacuum. It is so cool. Like, I was very shocked of how well it sucked up everything, and I just love that vacuum. And I think it's the Bristle brand. But if you're looking for a good vacuum, and I know she didn't pay that much for it, the Bristle, and I'll try to get more details in my description box for you, so go ahead and check that out if you want to check out that vacuum.
You and me and vodka cola. Myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows you white lies, white scars, wild nights, live bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. Yeah, you're burning me out. Cola light. And I'm putting myself in situations, confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out. And I'm putting myself in situations, standing on my own. They say that you love a confrontation, and that everybody knows your white lies, white scars, wild nights, dive bars, burning me out, you're burning me out.
2 years and you never said a word. Oh, in 2 hours and now we said it all. You know we don't wanna fall in love again. Oh no, just think about what we did. It never worked, no. Tonight, I can tell that you don't care. You always know how to get me sentimental. You always say the right things, like you're pushing me away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. You push away, then when I go all in, like you afraid of what might happen if you're trying. I'm already done with these games, so I might just be honest with that. I'm pushing you away, then you pull me back in. Like I'm your lady, but then you just stop trying. Then you just stop trying. 2 nights and you think you know me now. 2 seconds and I might just throw you out. 'Cause I remember everything you did and everything I became out of like a no. So why are you doing this tonight?
So this is the look of it with everything put in, painted, and now we're gonna get started on the decorating part, which is always my favorite part to do. So let's just get into it.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done.
So this brings us to the end of this video. I want to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video and today's makeover. For more makeover videos or cleaning motivation, make sure you are subscribed to my channel, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My handle name is thelifeofcourtney19, and also don't forget to go and check out Leanne's channel. You will not be disappointed. You're gonna love it and love her. And again, let her know that I sent you. But I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love?